Okay, question number 18. The graph shows the variation of the current with potential difference for a filament lamp. Okay, current versus Y is IV graph is given. What is the resistance of the filament when the potential difference across it is 6 volt? Across 6 volt. What do we do? Resistance of the filament, R is equal to V by I. Very simple. So find out what is R here. So for V equal to 6 volt, so it intersects at this point. What is the current here? The current here is somewhere over here. Current is somewhere over here. So this is 8. This should be 8.4, 8.8, 9.2, 9.6, 10. So middle point is 9 here, right? So therefore, the resistance R would be, what is V? V is 6 volt. What is current here? 9, and current is milliampere. So 9 milliampere, which should now be 3 2s are, 3 3s are. So we should be 2/3 of, like this, volt by milliampere, which should be 0.67 into 10 to the power of plus 3, which should now be equal to 670 ohms over here. Let us look at the options. What do we have here? 670 ohms. Answer is C.